All right, so for this next one, we're asked to convert log base 4 of 64. Not convert, they want us to figure out what y is. So this is where we're going to, we can find this pretty easy by taking the log and converting it to the exponential. So the base is 4. 4 is raised to the y because that's what the exponential is. And then we got to figure out, in other words, what power do we raise 4 to get 64? Well, that's pretty easy to do. So 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 times 4 equals 64. So I've got 1, 2, 3 fours. So 4 to the third power is equal to 64, which is equal to 4 to the y. So then y must equal 3. Now there's another way to do this problem, and I want to show you this too because this is pretty helpful. You can also no, we'll just leave it like this for now. There's another way to solve this, but I'm just going to leave it like this for now. Okay.